how to fix GoDaddy email option missing. So if you go and click on your name in the top right corner and go into my products, normally you should have an email option here from the services, products and services. If you don't have an email option, then that means that you have not actually purchased the email product. So how can we make it appear here? We want to click on the menu here in the top left, and if we go to email, it's going to show us all of these different pricing plans and pricing. So we can choose what type of email we want to get on GoDaddy. So we can get a Microsoft 365 email, email plus, online business essentials. You can see all of these different options here. So if we click on see plans, then we can get 10 gigabytes of email storage or 50. And if you purchase a plan here, then if you go to my products after you have purchased a plan, then the email option here will appear. So I hope this was informative. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.